Hi friends, welcome to my channel Creative Exposure. The great news come out from Vivo that they are going to launch Vivo V17 in India on 9th December 2019. The most awaited mobile from Vivo. They have already launched Vivo V17 Pro some few months back. The specifications are quite similar to Vivo V17 Pro. The major difference of V17 along with V17 Pro, the price. The price would be around less 5,000 compared to V17 Pro. It will come up with 20 to 22,000 in India in Indian rupees. Another difference is with V17 Pro, the V17 will come up with the Super AMOLED display with the body to screen ratio 83.75%. Another interesting thing in V17, the V17 weight is very less and the thickness is less compared to V17 Pro. One more thing I'm going to tell you, like in next year, in coming year 2020, the features, the looks, the technology of mobile going to change. The pop-up of the camera, front-facing camera will not be available anymore in next year. Now that thing will come up with the new technology that is called
punch hole camera on display.
Vivo V17 will have 32 megapixel front punch hole camera. It is having quad primary camera. The resolution is 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. It will come up with a single LED flash, but in V17 Pro you will have a dual LED flash. The image resolution is 8000 cross 6000 pixel. Quite similar to the Vivo V17 Pro. The other camera features a digital zoom, auto flash, face detection and touch to focus. It doesn't have optical zoom, but V17 Pro is having 2x optical zoom. The Vivo V17 looks very nice, elegant and the design is very sleek. The back cover comes with a plastic material. It would be better if it is having Gorilla Glass. And the camera shape in Europe it's launched with the diamond design, but in India it will come up with a L box type design with the 4 cameras. And Indian market it will be available in 2 colors. Those 2 colors are Glacier Ice and Midnight Ocean. And again it will come up with the Vivo earphone which is very high quality. When we think about the performance of a mobile, the chipset come in the picture. The Vivo V17 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset, which is available in the market with the mobile of Realme 5 and Mi A3. To run the mobile smoothly and for a long time, it is having 4500 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charger. So friends, my verdict on V79. The mobile V79 is a perfect combination of elegance, configuration and performance. The camera configuration makes the smartphone a perfect one for good photography, especially the front that is provided with a dual sensor module. The crisp and short display gives a very stylish looks to the phone. The excellent battery backup lasts for a long hour, which helps to walk at the stretch. The immense internal storage capacity differentiates the device from the other of its range, which is having 128 GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 256 GB. The processor RAM combination makes the device good for multitasking as well as for gaming without lagging issue. You can see on display the full specification and comparison with V17 Pro is given all the everything as you need. So with this I'm signing off and we'll come up with the new launch in January 2020. So Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comments for more videos. Thank you and keep watching Creative Expo.